Hello, my name's Annabelle. I'm from the UK and I just finished my 200 hours yoga teacher training here at Vinyasa Yogashala in Rishikesh. Now, the experience before coming here was a long, hard one, actually quite upsetting at times to try and find the right place to come and study. But I have absolutely no regrets that I chose here. In fact, it feels a little bit like this place chose me. There are hundreds and hundreds of schools to choose from, and you just have to go with your heart, go with your gut instinct, and that brought me here. Absolutely everything is amazing. The structure of the course, the staff, the facilities, the location, the cleanliness, the food, like just everything you want from your yoga course, you will get here. And it's not just about becoming a yoga teacher. It's truly about finding yourself and bettering yourself so that you can be better for yourself and for other people too. And yeah, I really found that here. I learned so much about myself and realized that all the powers I have are here. I just needed to find a way to access them. And the teaching staff here gave me all the tools that I need to be able to pursue my yoga for myself and for my career as well. Really, I have no complaints to make, so thank you so much to everybody for making this experience so wonderful, enlightening and life-changing. Thank you.